How to fix Twitter playback error. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply check your internet connection. You can simply try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that fixes the problem. After that, you can simply reopen your X application and then you can try it again. If it's still not working, head back to your home screen, open up the App Store. In the search bar, you can simply search for the X application, and once you search for it, check for update. Make sure it is updated. If not, you can simply tap on update and update your application to its latest version. After that, you want to simply hit back, open up settings. Now tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, search for the X application, and just like that, tap onto it. Now tap on upload app, then tap on upload app again. Once you're done that, make sure you tap on reinstall app. Also, you want to go ahead and simply check data saver in the app settings and then turn it off. If it's still not working, you can log out and log back in or reinstall the application. That's it. Your video should now play normally. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.